Hey guys, and welcome back to Tech It Simple. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to buy premium on Bumble. Now, let's begin. Well, as you can see, I've already installed Bumble and logged into my account. In case you have not, do install it and log in. Well, right here's Bumble. For simplicity, let's simply go to Profile, and right here, you will see something like Premium Unlock all our features, and right above it, it shows something like Spotlight and Super Swipe. Click on any one among those. For now, I'm simply going to click on Upgrade from USD, the pattern right here. Then, something like this will pop up. Well, as you can see, there are many offers like Lifetime for 6 months, 3 months, 1 month, or 1 week. It's completely up to you. Once you're okay with the choice, simply hit on the button at the bottom, click on it, and then, as you can see, something like this will pop up. Well, I have neither added my credit or debit card. Once you add it, simply follow the prompts, and then you will be able to buy premium on Bumble. It's as easy as that. Well, guys, hope that helped. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe to support. Fuels us, thank you.